Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the description to a task in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into a project, tap on a task. And here we can edit the things that are referring to the task. Here we find description, and if we tap on this, we can add the relevant information to the task that might be needed for the person that the task is assigned to. So here we can maybe go in more detail on what is actually expected and wanted from the person that is dealing with this. And then we can just tap on save after we are done, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.